In a cozy little house by the windowsill lived a silly little cat with glasses for skill. Round ones, square ones, pink, green, and blue. He wore a new pair every day, it's true. Hello, said the cat with a twinkle in his eye. My glasses make me see the world so high. He pranced on the carpet, tip-tap on the floor, knocked over a vase, but oh, he wanted more. He wore star-shaped glasses to chase a bouncing ball, heart-shaped ones when dancing in the hall, straight ones when reading a big funny book, and polka-dotted ones when hiding in a nook. At night, he curled up with glasses set aside, dreaming of silly shapes with a happy pride. The cat knew well, in his glasses array, every day's an adventure in a funny, bright way.